Sorry, I wanted to ask you.
You said,
I wanted asking you a question. There
all
was
right.
something you did on these candles where you zoomed, more like highlighted, and then you said this is 30 pips. How did you know that it was 30 pips, like that you were
Oh,
going to make from that?
all right. Good. Now, these tools, we're going to talk about them. These tools here. You see me, I've just been using them. I'm not explaining anything to you yet because we have not come to the trading view explanation. These tools here, you
Okay.
see them here. All these things here, we're going to examine them. We're going to talk about them one after another. These are the tools we use to automatically ease the work. Do you understand?
Yes.
So now, where we stopped recently, I was trying to explain to you about time. So I believe you were able to get the timing aspect. If you do not, I say anywhere you do not really get it, just tell me. I will send you the recording and you watch it again and see where you can be able to add more or learn more from it. So now, particularly now, we have finished with the market section. You know that we have three markets. You've seen the time here based on Nigeria time. Then you see what the market is doing currently now. And we're in the London heat period time, which by now we expect the market to move some drastical move, which it may still move because we still have now 1 hour to 30 minutes. Because I tell you, anything from 11:30 begin to hang. If you are in a trade, fine. But you have not entered any trade to 11:30, no need. No need. Because by that time, the market have already done its own job. So it won't go anywhere again. It have almost reached the bus stop. But I'm so much believe, you see, I told you I could have even entered here if I wanted to. Yes, stop loss could have still been somewhere around here. And we're still being in this trade and we're good. Must it go that way? I have already have something that I am holding it against the market. If it failed to do this, I am done. That is the simple way to trade. You don't need to suffer yourself. It's not about issue of you think it and then it will happen. No. I have this and this. If this happens, bam. If this does not happen, I'm done. So we're going to do a lot of those things as time goes on. Now, we have talked about this particular stuff. So today, I want us to, in this second part of this, second part of the two, I want us to look into the candlestick. When we are talking about this thing, candlestick, so on candlestick, you say this is 5 minutes. I hope you remember about the issue of this minute. I told you from second, which we talk about as high as you can see. This is 1,000 range. This is 12 months. This is 6 months. So this you can be able to put it any. Now, if you put it like this, you see, now this is what it means. It means that every second, every day of last week, this is the representation. This is the representation. This is the representation of last week. This is the week before last week. This is this week. Today is. So you see that you can put it this way and begin to look at it as far back as how many years ago. You can even still go back to when you were not yet born. You see it here? You can go as far back as you want. This is 2017. Maybe you were in secondary school then. This is 2015, the year I finished school. This is 2013, 2012. I don't know what is Forex, 2011. I don't know, something like that. You see, this market has been consistently moving. It's a pattern, 2-8. You can go as far back as you want. The moral lesson here is that this market have a pattern. So our major concern now is what? Know the pattern and follow the pattern. You don't want to reinvent it. Now, take note. Bear candle, we say we will talk about bullish candle. Yesterday, bullish candle have their opening, have their opening at the bottom of the candle, bottom. I think this one will not be necessary. You just be taking note of it. Now, this is what I mean. Any candle you see green, whether it's on 1 second, it's on 1 week, it's on 1 day, it's on 1 hour, they open from the bottom and close at the top. Now, this when you put something here like this, now watch and see what I'm doing here, because I just want you to understand. Now, you see here, just check up here. If I put something on the candle, you see something up here. Now, see this green big candle that formed on the 16th September 2024. Let me take it to daily so that we should understand when we're talking about day, because weekly is too far. So we say bullish candles open up, they open down and close down and close up, sorry. So now you see this is Monday 11th, which was yesterday. If you check it very well, check up here, you will see O. O signifying the open price, which is 163.546. Yesterday we talked about this is euro, this is Japanese yen. Now you discover that we say the one on the right hand side is the one you use to buy the one on the left hand side. So it means that currently, as we're talking, you need 163.574 Japanese yen to buy 1 euro. Because we talked about this currency pairs yesterday. This is euro, this is Japanese. This is how they are being paired. Now you see these two here, good and fine. You see these two here, this is the spray we are talking about. Because there's a broker here. This is a broker. There's a broker here that I register with on this particular. So you see, this is the price. For me to be able to make any money, I have to pay them this spray. Good. Have you seen it? You see it? That's the spray.
Yes, I do.
That's the spray we talk about yesterday. This is the price to sell, and this is to buy. If you are buying, you're buying at this price. So you have to pay this spray. I don't know that even there is a spray here, so I'm seeing it even today for the first time. So these are some of the things you have to pay attention to. We say the one here is you will use the one on the right to buy the one on the left, and that is exactly. See the broker here is called Owando. Onda. That's the name of the broker. So that is their spray for Euro JPY. Either I want to buy or I want to sell, I have to pay this spray for me to start making money, or for me to start losing more money. So now when you put it here now, you see that they all stand the open price. The H simply stand the high. That is, this is the high the market went yesterday. And then the L stand for the low. See, there's a small wick there. And then the C stand for the close. So every candlestick have what? Open, close, and high and low. So this is the high of yesterday candle. This is the high of yesterday candle. This week, this particular, the whole of this place is called week. It's called week. Week are very important. The whole of this particular place is called week. And this is the close price. Close price. You can be able to level them. This is open price. 1, 2. So this is the high. You can name it H. Bring it to the middle right. Left. Put it left. You see it here? That's the high. And label this one too. Share. Dana, you want to share something? All right. Ella, can you hear me? I'm back online. Oh, you're not here too. Well, try and invite so that let's conclude this section sharply. Kindly rejoin. Rejoin. Kindly rejoin. All right. So sorry. My network took me out. All right. So as I was saying, uh, so as I was saying, this is the week. This is the close. This particular price down here, you may not see it that deep, but this particular price here, you see there's a difference between this body and this wick. So this particular place, you see green, plenty like this, it means the body. This is the wick. This is the low. This is the open. This is the close. That was the high. This is the low of the candle. So every candle, whether it is on 1 minute, on 1 hour, on any time frame, it has the open, the close, the high, and the low of that particular candle. So what message is the candle passing to you? The candle, as we say, is the representative. So it means that this price, when it opened, it went somewhere around here, and then it drastically dropped back. Some people will say there was a serious sell pressure that dragged the price down. But we know that there's nothing like sell and buy pressure. We know that the algorithm just price and then it equally fall down at the same time. So candlesticks are the representative of the price movement. They show you how the price has been delivering. Price delivery per time. Time is the number one ingredient, as I said. Never forget that. Because without time, in mind, you will always be gambling. Because I will not come now and begin to look for where to enter the market by 11 a.m. What am I looking for? Where have I been? All right, Ella, I think we will call it a day and continue this class tomorrow because this network, I don't understand what it's doing. So that's fine, right? All right, so that's fine. So we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Stay safe, take care, and goodbye. You know, I can't hear you because you're mute. So if you have something to say, unmute yourself and say it. You have anything you want to say?
Okay.
All right, tomorrow is fine, right?
Yes.
So tomorrow we deal with the candlestick because the thing was even coming too much. So I was like trying to say we will definitely be able to close it today so that let it not even jump back with so many things at the same time. All right, so you stay safe, take care, and then see you tomorrow by 9 a.m.
Okay, sir. You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.